We received a TECNO Spark 20 phone with no power issue. According to our customer's experience, the phone restarts frequently and eventually stops turning on altogether. Let's try charging the phone. The phone is connected to the charger, but it is not responding. Disconnect the charger. Place the phone on a heating pad set to 100 degrees Celsius. Gently peel off the back cover as the adhesive becomes soft. Eject the tray. Then remove all screws with a screwdriver. Once the screws have been removed, detach the middle housing from the LCD frame. Disconnect the battery and the fingerprint flex cable. Also, disconnect the charging flex. Then connect the Type-C charging cable. Measure the voltage at the charging board FPC connector. A reading of 5 volts signifies that the voltage is within the normal range. Instead of a battery BMS will be utilized. Using a DC power supply, connect the positive and negative alligator clips to the corresponding pads of the battery BMS. Now, connect the phone to the DC power supply, which is linked to the battery BMS. Then try to power on the phone. The current gradually increases, indicating that the phone is booting up normally. Disconnect the battery BMS flex cable. We've confirmed that the battery is the issue. Next, uncover the battery's BMS protection tape. Apply a small amount of alcohol to loosen the adhesive on the cover. Based on our experience, this PTC resettable fuse typically fails in Android devices. The primary cause of the damage is often overcharging and charging while gaming on the phone. Now we will try to replace this PTC resettable fuse. Apply a small amount of flux paste to the PTC resettable fuse. Take out the PTC resettable fuse with a soldering iron. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Apply flux paste to the bonding pads. Install the new PTC resettable fuse. Gently press the center of the PTC resettable fuse with tweezers, then use a soldering iron to solder both ends. After replacing the PTC resettable fuse, wrap the battery BMS again with protective tape. Then, connect the battery flex cable. Plug in the charger to test. The phone is now charging. Then try to power on the phone. After repairing the battery's BMS, the phone started up normally. The issue was resolved without needing to replace the battery.